slanted running stitch is not exactly a running stitch, but it's a simple way, like you go up and down in fabric and you sew them like a V shape, a triangle shape. So you get the two legs of the triangle, one on the front and one on the back. And these stitches are good to have when you're basting, because when you're sewing two pieces of fabric together, you don't want them to move, and this stitch makes the fabric have more traction because the stitches take a larger space of the fabric. And since they are like a running stitch, not locked, they are easy to remove, even though it doesn't look like that right now when I got stuck when I was sewing. This stitch is also good if you have a place that you need to have two pieces of the fabric stay together, and it doesn't matter how the stitches look because they're not seen. That will make it quite sturdy. So now I have reached the end of my thread, so I anchor it, and on the back side it looks like they are very straight. I tried to make the V shapes, so better luck for you.